Welcome to this course on PNETLab installation. In this particular module, we are going to be installing PNETLab. Firstly, we'll begin by understanding what the PNETLab is. Your PNETLab is an emulator software that simulates real devices. The P in PNET stands for packets, the N stands for network, the E for emulator, and the T for tool. Your PNETLab is similar to EventG. It's similar to your packet tracer. It's similar to other emulation softwares out there. But the good thing about PNETLab is that it allows enterprises, e-learning providers, individuals, and group collaborators to create POCs. So you can use PNETLab for your proof of concepts. You can use PNETLab for trainings. You can use PNETLab to check how things work. It's similar to using JNS3 for those in the networking slash network security field. You would understand that when you want to simulate like a Cisco router, you can simulate this on your packet tracer. You can simulate it on your JNS3. You can simulate it on your EventG, and you can also simulate on PNETLab. So we're going to take a look at how to run the installation. Firstly, to install PNETLab, we need to update our Linux environment. Then we'll run the command for the installation. So we'll use these two commands for the updates, and then we'll run the installation. And when we are done, we're going to be rebooting our PNETLab. So let's delve into the lab session to commence the installation of PNETLab. With this, we've come to the end of this particular module. I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.